how to create subdomain in Squarespace. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's actually show you how you will be able to modify your subdomain. So over here, as you can see on our screen, we're currently in a website that we are going to try to modify the subdomain of. Over here, look over here on the left side. You're going to click on the settings of your specific website. In this page, this is where you will be able to see different types of settings in relation to the website that you're trying to modify. We're going to be looking at domains and emails over here. As you can see, under domains and email, you have domains over here. This is where you will be able to register your own custom domain or be able to change your subdomain over here, which is over here, tangerine.squarespace.com. We could change this site ID to a different domain or built-in domain or subdomain. So let's say, something like that. Click on save, confirm, and you will be able to change your subdomain and in a sense be able to create a new subdomain for your website. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.